Looking for the perfect personal blender for your smoothies, shakes, or protein drinks? Today, we're counting down the best 5 personal blenders of 2025 to help you make the right choice. First up is the NutriBullet Pro 900. With 900 watts of power, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens effortlessly. Its 32-ounce cup is perfect for large smoothies, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Pros: powerful motor, easy to clean, large capacity. Cons: lacks multiple speed settings. Why it's on the list? Its powerful performance and reliability make it a top choice for daily smoothie lovers. Next up is the Ninja BN401 Nutra Blender Pro. Featuring 1100 watts and Auto IQ technology, this blender has multiple preset programs for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. Its 24-ounce cup is perfect for single servings. Pros: powerful, multiple settings, efficient blending. Cons: travel lid may leak if tilted. Why it's on the list? The Ninja BN401 combines smart features with raw power, making it great for users who want versatility. The Koios Personal Blender is a stylish and powerful option at 1000 watts. Its 24-ounce cup is ideal for individual smoothies, and it comes with a modern, sleek design. Pros: powerful, stylish, great for smoothies. Cons: slightly noisy. Why it's on the list? It's perfect for anyone who wants a high-performance blender with a sleek design at an affordable price. The Ganiza Personal Blender is compact, portable, and surprisingly powerful for its price. With a 900-watt motor, it can handle most fruits and vegetables for smoothies and shakes, while its 20 to 24-ounce cup is perfect for single servings or small batches. Pros: powerful for its size, affordable, portable. Cons: not as feature-rich as premium models. Why it's on the list? Its combination of strong performance, portability, and affordability makes it one of the best budget-friendly personal blenders. The Ninja Fit Compact Blender is perfect for single servings and small kitchens. Its 700-watt motor handles most fruits and vegetables, and its compact design makes it portable. Pros: compact, portable, ideal for single servings. Cons: smaller capacity. Why it's on the list? It's ideal for anyone who wants a blender for quick, single-serve smoothies at home or on the go. And as a bonus, the Magic Bullet Blender is perfect for beginners or occasional users. With a 16-ounce capacity and 250-watt motor, it's compact and easy to use for basic smoothies and shakes. Pros: affordable, compact, easy to use. Cons: limited power, not ideal for ice or frozen fruits. Why it's a bonus? Its small size and low price make it a great choice for beginners or for those who only make a smoothie now and then. When choosing a personal blender, consider wattage, cup size, portability, and your budget. Higher wattage blenders handle tough ingredients, while compact options are great for single servings and travel. All the blenders we listed have been selected based on power, usability, and value. That's our top 5 personal blenders. Which one would you pick for your kitchen? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.